Ramco Super Bond Epoxy is a two-component product. Part A, resin. Part B, hardener. Combine Ramco Super Bond Epoxy components, resin Part A and hardener Part B in a 1:3 weight ratio in a clean, dry container. Use a low-speed mixer to stir the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes until it achieves a uniform consistency. Using a brush, apply Ramco Super Bond Epoxy evenly over the prepared surface. Immediately overlay it with Ramco Micro Concrete without allowing it to dry. Ramco Super Bond Epoxy is also effective for bonding PVC pipes to sand in bathroom and toilet pit installations to provide superior bonding strength.